Sometimes you'll want to pause trading and wait for a clearer market signal. Instead of letting your funds sit idle, you can put them to work by depositing into the vault. It's simple. You deposit USDC directly from your COIN360 account balance, so there's no need to pick a chain. The APY is shown as the past 30-day return and can change over time. The minimum deposit is 10 USDC, with a 48-hour lockup, meaning you can withdraw after that period. When you're ready to pull out, just click Withdraw, wait for processing, and claim your redeemed USDC. Now that you've taken profits and closed your trades, it's time to move those funds back to your wallet. Head over to the Portfolio tab and click Withdraw. A window will pop up to walk you through the process. You can withdraw in different assets across multiple blockchains, as long as you hold that asset in your COIN360 account. For example, since I've got USDC, I'll withdraw that directly to my Web3 wallet. Next, choose the network where you want your funds to land. COIN360 supports both EVM and non-EVM chains, giving you flexibility, but always check the withdrawal fees before confirming. I'm skipping Ethereum this time since the fees are high, and going with the BNB chain instead. After you hit confirm and follow the MetaMask prompts, your withdrawal will start processing. Give it a short moment. Once completed, you'll see a notification confirming that your funds have arrived. To double-check, scroll down to the withdrawal history section, where every request and transaction is listed. Click on any record to open the Blockchain Explorer and verify it directly, just like I'm doing here. Everything happens seamlessly, within seconds. Want to earn while others trade? Just share your COIN360 Perp DEX link, get 30% from every referral, and watch your rewards grow. It's simple, transparent, and rewarding. Join us now.